What attracted you to sign up for this 3-day studio workshop?
Well, I attended Louisa's preview and I was very attracted at how Louisa was very systematic in delivering. She was sharing about how she would conduct the course, and I really was attracted, especially it is not just marketing, but how to actually create your course from A to Z and deliver it. So there are lots of courses out there I have attended and also bought, but not finished. Because there is no coach that walks you through these steps. You're just supposed to do it on your own. And I know a lot of people can self-study, but I'm a person who needs some kind of hand-holding, especially when it comes to something as new as course creation online. I've been training over the past 20 years, but I've never done course creation and marketing it by myself. So I was very attracted by the systematic approach which Louisa promised. And the keyword being AI, I was very curious to find out how we can use AI and not be so anxious or afraid of using AI. So Louisa was very patient to walk through and answer our questions. It was really step by step. And what I enjoyed was, how simple she made using AI, which is sometimes a bit scary. And I like the part when she said, we don't play with AI, but we actually learn how to use it the proper way, systematically. We train it to work for us. There were a lot of tips, advice that Louisa gave us, and she really gave us fundamentals where we can actually take away and run with it almost immediately after the class. And what I like, again, a lot of things I liked. What I liked was we didn't just sit down there and listen. We had a class from 8 to 11 at night, and I thought I was going to be sleepy, but I didn't have time to fall asleep. I didn't eat my coffee as I usually would, because she actually made us do the work immediately. So it's like not just sitting down there, another lecture, but we actually had to sit down and do the stuff. And we had homework. Don't let that scare you, but we had homework. We had homework, and she checks it. She goes through it one by one. All of us had our homework checked, and she gave us even more feedback, and we gave feedback to each other. So it was really nice because we became good friends. We have this community to work together. So I really enjoyed this class. It was worth every single ringgit that I invested.
Thank you for your sharing. If you were to recommend this course to someone else, how would you share this with them? Like, what would you say to them?
I would say that if you believe that you have great ideas, and if you have something you believe you can send out there that will help others, that will benefit others, don't keep it to yourself, and lean on Louisa and her course, because it will actually help you step by step, every step of the way. This 3 days will actually give you not just the confidence, it will give you the skills, the tools, and the headache of, it will just take the headache away of, what do I do next, advertisements or not, etc. All those fog out of the way, and all you need to do is focus on your course and getting it out there. So give yourself an opportunity like I did. I was afraid, will this be another course like I've invested before? But from the bottom of my heart, no, she's not paying me to say it. I would encourage to give yourself that opportunity, go through it, invest in yourself, because that money is, you can spend it any way you want to, but I believe that this was the best investment that I've made for the end of the year to start 2026 with. So give yourself that chance. Give Louisa's course a chance for you to bring out the best course that you have out, that is within, and she has done all the work for you when it comes to learning about AI and all that. So let that not be a deterrent as to whether you can do it or not. The only thing is to just click, sign up, and just go for it. And invest that 3 days. It was the most fun. I felt I was back in school. It was the most fun 3 days of my life this end of the year.
Thank you. It was enjoyable work.
Yeah.